How to change country or region on Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to change country or region. So for that, you want to make sure to update the app to the latest version, and to begin with, open your Amazon shopping app. Once you are logged in, you want to click on the profile or the icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. As you do it so, then comes this gear icon at the top right, click that out, or you could just go to your profile once again from the top left. So here what you want to do is actually click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. You could see the language, right? Click on the following option, and basically here you can see country or region. So you want to go ahead and select the country or region accordingly. So let's see, this is the one, and accordingly you could also go ahead and make changes with your language. And this is how you should be able to change country or region on Amazon. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.